Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to use Canva with Printify. So in this video we are going to connect Canva with the Printify platform, and it will be a complete beginner friendly video. I will try my best to break down step by step process in this throughout the video. So without any further ado, just focus on the video. So first of all, as you can see, we already created an Canva account, and this is the Canva account we have, and now this is the Printify account we have. Let's see the pricing. Does it free? Yes, we have the free plan, so I'm going to click on is for free. Once I click over here, then it will redirect us to here, and I'm going to continue with this one. It will be the only simplest way to create an account. Just click over here, and now select our Gmail account, and then it will be start there working. So here you can see, so it already redirect us to that place, and here you can see this is our Printify account. So now let's come back to Canva, and here in the search million of template option we are going to search t-shirt, and let's hit enter. Once I click over here, then we will get couple of options at that place, which is really amazing design we are getting here. So I'm going to choose one of them. So which one you think will be good? So I think push your limit. Yeah, this may be good. No, I think this one is the tiger one will be perfect for me. That's why I'm going to choose this one. Just click on one. Once you click over here, then it will open and pop up. As you can see from that place, you can select any of them. So I'm just going to click on this customize this template. Once I click over here, as you can see, it redirects us to the place. So here you can change the text, you can change the design, you can change whatever thing you want to change it. So I'm going to change the name. So here I'm going to give my name, that will be my name, and now this way I will complete the design. Here I am going to select another design. Let's search, go to the element and search for t-shirt, and let's hit enter. And here, does we have any design? Let's try to find out some of design. So here we don't have any like efficient design for us, so I will click on design and search for t-shirt, and let's hit enter. And now here you can see we have couple of design. I think this design looks really amazing, or you can choose this one. So I'm going to work with this one. Here you can see there is a couple of options we already had. So if you want to change anything from that place, you are allowed to change it from that one. So once you found out that these designs are really cool, and now you can do your like design chart, you can go with this one. So here just click on create your first product. Once you click over here, then it will take a while and it will give a message that let's create your first product. So here I'm going to click on clothing apparel, and from that place you just need to be select what kind of a design, like it will be a hooded, it will be a oversized tee or tracker kits. What kind of a thing do you want to start with this? So I will go with the hoodie. Just select hoodie, and then it will redirect you to that place. Start the tour or explore by myself. Yeah, got it. So here you can see your design. So in here in this panel you just need to be upload your design. So how you can upload it? It's really easy. So here you can see there's a couple of options, as you can see it, so here it has been done. So now I will come back to this place and I will download this design. So let's click on this one, download, and you just need to select the PNG, and always remember the design will be transparent. So just click on paste to, because I only want to download the paste to, that's why I select this one. Let's download it, and it will take a while to download the whole thing. So now you can see our image has been downloaded. This is the Illustrator, as you can see it. So now I will come back to this palace, and let's go and let's try to upload our design. So how we can do it? You just need to go onto the upload. From that place you just need to select your my device option. Once you click over here, and then you will get eventually download your upload your file. Now it will be uploaded in your this selected panel or selected sections. So here you just need to be increase your size, as you can see it, like as you can, and you just need to drag it, drop and place it. Let's go to the back side. Similarly, I'm going to upload same design, and it will be come over here, and now you can see it. And here you can see that our design has been placed here perfectly. And then come over to the sleeve left. Similarly, I'm going to go with my library, then I will place it here. Let's zoom it. Okay, let's zoom it furthermore. So here you can see this is the sleeve left. You can go with the sleeve right. Neck level, so I'm going to upload a neck level. Neck level will be this one. As you can see, neck level has been uploaded here. It will take a while to loading, so we need to wait a bit. So here eventually you can see our neck level has been uploaded, so you can reduce the size and you can place it perfectly. So now when you find out that your design is perfectly aligned and you can see, then go with this one and let's see how is it looks. Is it looks nice or not? You just need to find out, like place it perfectly so it could look amazing. Let's click on preview, and here you can see the preview is really amazing. Let's go see the back. Yeah, it's like the design totally changed. Let's see the person. You can mock up the color mode realistic if it is needed. So here you can see this is the realistic design. When the product will be produced, then the design will be look something like this way. So it's amazing to get this kind of a design, and this way you can change whole image. You can change the color, you can make it black, you can make it something different than this one. So in this way you can like upload your whole design. Here we have couple of designs, so let's go and download a simple design. Let's download this one. Click on download png and select our design, and let's click download, and it has been downloaded. So I am going to upload the design. Click on my device and I'm going to upload it, and the design will be uploaded here. So here you can see the process is really simple and similar to all of them. You just need to be zoom it, and let's preview it. So here you can see it's look like this way. So after all, if I finish the video here, then I will say that this way you can easily connect Canva with your Printify options. This is the simplest way. I hope you find out this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.